Okay, everybody, what we have here is Plant-H04. And this is another one of its weekly inspections. And as you can see, everything looks pretty good. Except for this one picture over here that is growing on top of somebody else. And if I lift the lid, we can see there are many additional items popping up, and probably need to, there we go. So what we're gonna do is, and looking at how that plant is growing, it's growing from there over to here. Let's see, over there. I will let it develop, because the picture that it is growing over is an older picture, so that this might be a good replacement for it. Or what I'll probably try to do is see if I can maneuver this so that it goes in between the plant. And to do that, I'm going to put on my headlight so I can see better and see. So how is this growing? Okay, it's growing that way, it's growing that way, it's that way. Is there anything getting in its way? Well, this little picture is getting in my way. So I'm going to remove it. And it's going to be in somebody else's way later. Okay, so look at that. It's coming down. Okay. Now there's room. So now I'll just tuck it in between those two pictures and it will grow nicely. And then on to the next plant, next picture. Same thing, it's growing, okay. You have another picture over here, okay. So I can put you right in between here and it will grow nicely. This picture, move it aside. Is anything growing underneath? Nope. So I'll tuck it in and position it there. And let me raise it a little. So there you go. So now we have this picture to contend with. And what should we do about it? Let me see, we have one picture here, one picture here. So I don't think this picture is going to be in the way. So I'll go ahead and remove it. And then underneath you can see there's a little baby picture which I will remove. And two others, I'll let them develop a little bit and see what happens. Okay. Now I do see the stem. Let's see. Of a previous removed picture. That is yellowing, so that's good. And here we go. So every picture is in its rightful place for future growth. And let me just take a look under the leaf here. Okay, everything looks good. Ah, do you see this? Let me rotate it so you can see. Right here, there's a few buds growing. Pitcher buds, that is. And there's really nowhere for them to grow, so I'm going to remove them. And there's one more down here. Now, for those who are looking at this and say, oh my gosh, he's just removing all these pictures. Why can't you just let the plant grow? Well, it's really for the plant's benefit. Otherwise, they'll just overcrowd each other, and it's just not healthy. In my opinion, of course. Everybody's entitled to their opinion. So, there we go. Everything looks good. Now let's feed it. I'm going to feed this pitcher and this pitcher a little bit. Then top it off. And maybe I'll pump some into these closed pitchers. That's good. There you go. And maybe this one also for good measure. And I'll also top it off. Alright folks, so that's all we need to do for this one. What do you think? Thank you for watching and have a great day.